Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. Here today to talk to you folks about the Sea Ray 2019 270 Sun Deck. It's a beautiful black hull. Looks absolutely gorgeous with contrast with the white up above and below at the waterline. It's got the flexi peak on the sea deck, rather on the deck and on the entrance. And it's powered by the new Mercury Verado, 300 horsepower, fantastic motor, plenty of power for this boat. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are up on board the 270 Sun Deck. Let's start at the back. Huge sun pad on the back of the boat. Fantastic. There's huge storage underneath it. And then we come into the boat. You got the L-shaped seating. Plenty of seating here. You get the reversible seats back and forth for lounging. Fantastic. Seating here, opposing seating. And then you've got a really large pump out head. Not a pump out, a vacuum flush head. So plenty of room. Top of the line head in there. Head system. Helm area is beautiful. Nice and neat. Nice and clean. And as we move to the bow, huge seating area here. And then you also have the beach boarding ladder, so you can go up to the beach, drive right onto the beach, deploy the ladder down, on and off from the bow without getting in the water. Fantastic. It's a great boat, especially for around here. Does everything very, very well. So if you've got any questions or would like to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.